Hi everyone. The place behind me is a train station called Jamai Usmania in very close to Hyderabad in South India, where I used to make my home for the first 28 years of my life. This place is bittersweet for me because it is right here in the background where you see all those bushes. It was there I actually tried to commit suicide 2 times. Now what had happened was there's an engineering college right behind me, and students from there came running and rescued me in the nick of time, and they tried to counsel me and drill some sense into me. Nearly 35 years later, I come back as someone who survived and braved the odds and made it to a decent style of living around the world. I'm very happy in my life today, pursuing my passion, my God-given talents, and I'm immensely grateful to God for my second chances.